section 3.5 is on multiplying polynomials. We looked at in section 3.1 how to multiply monomials together, which was just one term times one term, which is very similar to problem number 1. If we have 8x to the 5th times negative 11x to the 7th, then we're going to be using our product rule, which says we multiply the coefficients. 8 times negative 11 would be negative 88. But what are we going to do with the exponents? Okay, this is going to be, like I said, the product rule where you're going to add the exponents. So this would be x to the 12th. Okay, negative 88, x to the 12th. This basic rule is really what we're going to be using to work out these longer problems. Okay, if we look at number 2, 4x times x squared plus 4x plus 3. It's just like the distributive property that we've done previously, except now we're distributing with variables. So I have this one term, 4x, that I have to multiply by each term that's in the parentheses. So 4x times x squared would be 4x to the 3rd. Add your exponents when you're multiplying. And then 4x times 4x would be a positive 16. X to the 2nd power, again adding your exponents. And then 4x times 3 would give you plus 12x. What you have to look for here now is that your problem is in descending order, the highest degree term first, and just make sure you don't have any like terms. Okay, these are not like terms because all of the variables have different powers, so we're finished. That's our answer. Okay, number 3 is the same kind of problem. It just looks a little bit more difficult because you have more than one variable. But it's the same principle. We want to distribute 4x squared y, excuse me, I said that wrong, 4xy squared times 7x cubed. So 4 times 7 would be 28. Add the exponents of the like variables. So I have x times x cubed would give me x to the 4th. Carry over the y squared, there's not another y to multiply that with. Then we distribute 4xy squared times 3x squared y squared. 4 times 3 would be positive 12. X times x squared would be x cubed. Y squared times y squared would be y to the 4th. Okay, then finally 4xy squared times negative 9y cubed would give me a negative 36 x. There's not another x here to multiply that with. Y squared times y cubed would be y to the 5th. Okay, then you need to look at each term and say, okay, is there something I can put together? Do I have any like terms? If not, then we're finished. Okay, this would be your final answer. Just be very careful as you are typing in these answers onto the computer. Okay, we'll use this distributive property in part 2 of the videos.